Hi guys, welcome to today's video, and we're going to talk about changing the order of your blog post's display. In Wix, by default, the order of your blog post will be according to its publication date. So if you want to change the order of your blog post for some reason, then the only way to do it is to change a post's publication date, which you can do by following these steps. On your site's dashboard, go to Blog, then go to Posts. Here, you should see all of the posts you've created previously. So look for the post you wish to rearrange first, say for example this one, and click Edit right next to it. Here on the blog editor, go to the left and go to Settings. Go to the Publish Date option, and then edit the publish date over here accordingly. So say, for example, you'd like it to appear later, then you're going to have to choose an older publish date for that, and that would depend on you. Once you're done, click on Save, and if your blog post has previously been published, click on Publish so that the changes you've made will reflect on your live blog post too. And as you can see, it's now at the very bottom of the list because we've set its date to the oldest compared to all the others right over here. So basically, repeat the process for all the other blog posts you have until you rearrange them according to your preferred order. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.